Every day you're surrounded by marketing powered by artificial intelligence, even if you don't realize it. AI in marketing uses machine learning, data analytics, and automation to help businesses deliver smarter campaigns, predict customer behavior, and improve engagement. But how does it actually work? AI gathers data, identifies patterns, and provides insights that marketers use to make better decisions. Welcome to our channel Eye2Future. Ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what you want to watch or how Amazon suggests the perfect product? That's AI-driven personalization at work. AI predicts future trends by analyzing past behavior, helping marketers anticipate what customers will want next. AI chatbots like Drift and Intercom provide 24/7 customer support, enhancing user experience while saving time and resources. From blog posts to social media captions, AI tools can generate high-quality content in seconds, making creativity faster and easier. AI-powered platforms like Mailchimp and HubSpot analyze when your audience is most active, ensuring your emails land at the perfect moment. AI isn't just improving marketing, it's redefining advertising. Platforms like Google Ads and Meta's AI to target the right audience, optimize ad spend, and improve ROI. AI dynamically tests multiple ad creatives, identifies the best performing designs, and scales them automatically, maximizing results with minimal effort. AI eliminates guesswork by providing real-time data analysis, allowing marketers to focus on strategy, creativity, and building customer relationships. Improved customer insights, higher conversion rates, enhanced personalization, time-saving automation. AI's potential in marketing is still growing. In the future, expect smarter voice search optimization, hyper-personalized campaigns, and even AI-generated video ads. Businesses that embrace AI today will stay ahead of the curve tomorrow. AI isn't just a tool. It's your secret weapon for smarter marketing, stronger connections, and bigger results. If you agree with us, please comment your thoughts here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.